Hey guys, how's it going? Hope you're all doing good. I know it's not the best times to be doing videos and that, but I managed to get these clips before the lockdown in the UK. So I'm washing a Vauxhall Adam, if I can guess by the thumbnail. Pretty good transformation, to be fair. Just a maintenance wash, safe wash, whatever you want to call it. Now, if the clips are looking different, it's because I purchased this recently. Hero 4 GoPro. That's my first one, and to be fair, it's really good. Quality is really good. Battery life doesn't seem to be that great. Let me know if that's what they normally like, but it didn't last that long. So halfway through, I do swap to my phone, but there we are. Anyway, sit back, relax, have a cup of tea or whatever, and enjoy the video. So we'll start off then, as normal, some before shots. Pretty rotten, like, absolutely stinking. But she does a lot of miles in it over mountains, etc. So it's to be expected. So to start things off, use a snow foam diluted 10:1. So I start from the roof and then work my way around the car slowly. It's probably the most important step of the car wash because this prevents swirls and scratches by a lot. So you leave it settle in for a couple of minutes and then you pressure wash off. So once it's been sitting for a few minutes, not too long because the sun was out today, it's time to pressure wash it off. Taking my time on this bit because it is again one of the most important parts. Just make sure I get every little bit off the car before I start to contact wash. So once the car has been snow foamed, I then start with the alloys. So I like to spray the product inside the barrel first, and then the face, and then tyres. Then leave to dwell for a few moments for the chemical to react. So then agitate them with the brush, start with the barrels again, faces, and then again tyres last, and then repeat the process 3 times for each alloy. So now it's time for the 2-bucket phase, contact wash. Same as snow foam, I like to do everything like this in order. Start with the roof, then work my way down side of the car, and then lastly on bumper, lower arch of the car, and then the front bumper. So once the car's had a good scrub and a wash down, it's now time for the drying phase. So again, start with the roof, work my way down and panel at the time, just so I don't lose track of where I've been. It's quite hard to dry white cars because you can't really see where the water spots are, but it does come out nice once it's done. Just take more time. So that is it then, final result, gleaming. So yeah guys, hope you've enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, share and subscribe if you're new for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. See you on the next one.